Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Edifier True Wireless Sound 330 to your iPhone. Okay, so first of all, just remember to charge them at least to the 50%. At the bottom you can find input for your USB-C cable. Next, you have to just simply open the case, click and hold this button on the back until this indicator on the front starts blinking like that. Then put it back, don't close it, and move to the settings on your iPhone. Go for the Bluetooth, turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and then select your Edifier True Wireless Sound 330. As you can see, right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.